Hello friends, let's get into the nerves of the third superclass, the idea and concepts of being limited and to that of limitless, being restricted and to that of being expanded into the open space. For this, we really understand how the cactaceae, how the birds and all these people really talk about this particular limitation, which is a self-created limitations. They desire to be out in the open. They desire to have no boundaries. Therefore, their whole idea is to be floating freely anywhere, wherever they want to go. But their responsibilities, their human understanding of their lifestyle, which they have to take care of every aspects of their family and their job and their work and everything, makes them feel very restricted within the boundaries, which actually makes them feel suffocated. So the idea of being constricted, limited, suffocated to that of expansion, limitless, no boundaries, is the concept of the third superclass, which will be seeing this in the upcoming series at the Swara Homeo Gurukul. So stay tuned and be there for this particular sessions. Thank you.
And what is the reaction to that thing that person has been touched upon? What was the type of response that they showed? What did that person do in order to respond to that particular given stimuli? And how deeply that stimuli has touched upon, for which the person has responded in such a manner? These are all the qualities collectively that we can understand from where the kingdom has come, from which superclass the person belongs to, what is the exact idea behind it, what has happened in that possible thing, what was the response to that given stimuli, gives us now today, in the latest version, gives us the idea of a superclass understanding, where we have the common response of the plant, animal and mineral kingdom coming together and fitting into 6 different type of superclasses that are there, which is the latest work done by Dr. Chandrashekhar, and that what is giving us much more beautiful results as far as understanding the difference between the similar response, yet there is a difference in the kingdom from which they come from.